This lotus of the Mahabharata in general, lotus of the Gita in particular, became Kalimala Vidhansi. Kali means conflict, Mala means impurity. Vidhansi, Vidhansini means the eliminator. Eliminator of impurity of conflict. Now, where is conflict? Where there is duality, there is conflict. Dityad bhayam bhavati. When there is duality, you and me, I have fear that you might know more than me. So if you know more than me, maybe people will not love me, they will love you. Dityad bhayam bhavati. When you are alone, no fear. When you are with another, there is fear. In worldly life also, if you have a friend, if you have a family, you are always thinking, I should be careful so that my friend should not leave me. If my friend leaves me, what will happen to me? So always there is fear of losing friendship. The husband is sick. The wife is crying, praying to God for the health of the husband. Not that the husband, let husband leave, but what will happen to me? I have to live all alone. Fear. When there is no duality, there is unity. Duality is you and me. Multiplicity is you and me. Unity, essentially, we all are one. Swami Ramatirtha, while addressing people, he used to tell, myself in the form of you all, ladies and gentlemen. Myself in the form of you all, ladies and gentlemen. That means I am addressing myself. I am talking to myself who is remaining in you. I am in all. Can you imagine a person who is remaining in this type of thought? How much bliss, how much love, how much joy he is having within. And it is because of Kalimala Vidhansini. There is no impurity of conflict.